How to delete extra pages on Word. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete extra pages in Microsoft Word. There are several steps that you can use to delete extra pages in Microsoft Word. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Microsoft Word application on your device and here make sure you have selected the documents. Once selected, here, now to remove these extra pages, you will need to first press on Ctrl plus Shift plus 8. By doing so, you will be able to reveal these paragraph markers. Scroll down to the last page, click on this marker, and then press on backspace key of your keyboard to remove these extra pages. You can simply repeat this process if you want to remove all of these extra pages, and then you will be able to delete them. If you don't want to use this method, there is another method to delete the extra pages. For that, you will need to click on this View tab from the top and then here you will need to click on the box that says Navigation pane. Once you click on it, at the left side you will be able to see this pop-up. Here make sure you have selected this Pages option. Now from here you can select the page that you'd like to delete and then tap on the backspace key of your keyboard in order to delete that page. If you want to delete all the pages except the first one, then you can scroll down at the very bottom, click on the last page and then use the backspace until there remains only one page. By doing so, you will be able to remove unwanted pages from your document. So, by following the steps, you should be able to delete extra pages in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.